If you're still rocking a mid-2012 MacBook Air, you know the struggle is real when it comes to storage. Those original SSDs were, well, let's just say they weren't built for today's demands. But before you ditch your trusty machine, consider this: the SHARKSPEED 1TB SSD replacement. This isn't just any SSD. It's specifically designed for the 2012 MacBook Air. Both the 11-inch A1465 EMC2558 and the 13-inch A1466 EMC2559 models. Compatibility is key here, so double-check those model numbers. It won't work with later MacBook Airs. What's really cool is that it comes with macOS High Sierra pre-installed. That saves a ton of hassle. No need to create bootable drives or mess around with complicated installations. Just pop it in, follow a few simple steps, and you're good to go. Now let's talk speed. SHARKSPEED claims read speeds up to 550 megabytes s and write speeds up to 500 megabytes s. That's a significant jump from the original SSDs in these machines. Expect faster boot times, quicker application loading, and snappier overall performance. It's like giving your old MacBook Air a new lease on life. Beyond the speed boost, this SSD also boasts some impressive features for reliability and data protection. It has intelligent temperature management to prevent overheating, error correction code, ECC, technology to safeguard your data, and features like garbage collection, bad block management, SMART, and trim to extend the lifespan of the drive. SHARKSPEED seems confident in their product, offering a 5-year warranty and free technical support. That's a pretty solid commitment and gives peace of mind knowing they stand behind their product. If you run into any installation issues, they're there to help. Overall, the SHARKSPEED 1TB SSD replacement looks like a fantastic option for breathing new life into a mid-2012 MacBook Air. The pre-installed macOS, impressive speed claims, and focus on reliability make it a worthwhile upgrade for anyone looking to extend the life of their trusty machine.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.